I get a lot of questions about unique dining experiences, so let me tell you about dinner at Darza Resort in Coimbatore. Imagine lush greenery, ambient lighting, and an atmosphere that feels like it's straight out of a travel magazine. Dinner here is not just about the food, it's an experience. The resort is nestled in the open countryside, offering breathtaking views that make you forget about the chaos of city life. It feels like a detox for your senses. Here's the thing about the food, it's next-level perfection. Their menu combines authentic South Indian flavors with global cuisine. Whether it's a crispy dosa or grilled prawns, every dish feels crafted by someone who cares about flavor. But don't skip the live counters. There's something magical about watching your food being freshly cooked in front of you. You can customize it how you like, and this low-key solves everyone's picky eater problem. Pro tip, get there a little earlier for dinner because the sunset at Darza is absolutely not to be missed. Golden skies over the lush green resort? It's nature's way of elevating dinner. The seating is something else too. You can choose from cozy indoor settings or sit outside under strings of twinkling lights. On a cool evening, that outdoor setup just hits different. Romantic and calming all at once. Here's a hidden gem nobody talks about, their mocktails. I wasn't expecting much. Mocktails tend to disappoint, let's be honest, but what I got was vibrant, refreshing, and surprisingly unique. My favorite was the watermelon basil spritz. So good I ordered two. Now, let's talk affordability. It's not dirt cheap, but compared to what you'd pay at high-end city restaurants, Darza feels like a steal. You're paying for an experience that stays with you long after the meal. And I've got to admit, the staff here sets the bar high. They're attentive without hovering, and their recommendations, spot on. I asked for something spicy, and they delivered a dish that was bold but balanced. One downside, though, if you're heading there on a weekend, it can get crowded. Reservations are your best friend here. Nothing kills a vibe faster than waiting for a table. Trust me on this one. Don't leave without trying their dessert spread. There's a passion fruit cheesecake that, quite frankly, ruins all other cheesecakes for you. And their sticky toffee pudding? Unreal. So is Darza Resort worth the hype for dinner? Absolutely. It's more than a meal, it's the kind of evening that makes you want to stop and just enjoy life.